Welcome to Marigold the lesson, train. Have you ever traveled on a train watching the various landscapes that pass by? Let's read the poem by James S. Tippett and enjoy the train journey.
Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains.
Carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads, in without fail.
Thousands of freight cars, all rushing on, through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn.
Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains.
Beautiful poem explains the train journey over the mountains, plains, and river. Let's first understand the new words. The word mountain is used to indicate a land mass with great height and steep sides that is higher than a hill.
Example sentences are: Trekking the mountains of Western Ghats is refreshing. We climbed the Sivalik mountains with a lot of effort.
The word passenger means a person who is not driving, but travels in an automobile, bus, train, air or other vehicles.
Examples are: Passengers are not allowed to travel without a ticket. The passengers were tired after the long journey.
The word river is used to indicate a large natural stream of water flowing in a particular course toward the ocean.
Example sentences are: River Kaveri flows in Karnataka. We have to keep our rivers clean.
The word precious means of great worth or value. It is used to indicate precious stones or expensive metals like gold and platinum.
Example sentences are: Gold is a precious metal. For parents, their children are very precious.
The word mail means letters and parcels sent by post.
Examples are: I got a mail from my grandfather. He did not receive any mail from his college.
The word plains means a large area of flat land with few trees.
Example sentences: Cows were grazing in the plains. We went to a vast open plain on a picnic.
The word dusk means the time of day just before night, the last moments of twilight.
Examples are: The park closes at dusk. He went home at the end of dusk.
The word dawn means the first daylight that appears in the morning, daybreak.
Example sentences are: He was up at dawn. I am too lazy to get up at dawn and see the sunrise.
Having understood the new words, let's recap the purport of the poem. In the long train journey of 1 or 2 days, we can see mountains, plains and rivers go by. In this journey the train carries passengers' mails, parcels, and the precious luggage of the passengers. As we sit and watch through the window, several goods trains pass by. Also we see sunset and sunrise.
And over the mountains, plains and rivers it moves on.
Yes, that's right. Let's answer questions from the exercise. Where do the trains run?
The trains run over the mountains, plains and rivers.
What are the precious loads that they carry?
Passengers' luggage and mails are the precious loads that they carry.
When do the trains run?
The trains run through day and darkness.
What is dusk and dawn?
Dusk is the time of the day immediately after sunset. Dawn is the first light of day.
Excellent. With this we have come to the end of the session, Lesson Train.